In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use WhatsApp on two devices at the same time. So step number one is to get both of your devices. As you can see here, I've got an Android and also an iPhone. Now I want to transfer my WhatsApp to my Android. So what I can do is open up WhatsApp. I can then open up WhatsApp on my Android, click agree and continue. And then from here, you simply want to click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and then you want to click on link as companion device. From here, you will now get a QR code. Now we want to go to settings on the iPhone. You then want to go to linked devices, and then you want to select link device. Now, once you do this, you will then be able to do this with the QR code on here, or you can also do this with a phone number if you prefer. So what I'm going to do is click on OK. I'm then going to scan the QR code here. And then as you can see, it will now log in on my Android device. What you will now notice is that it's just loaded up all my chats. And if you can now see, it has now logged in on my Android, and it's also still logged in on my iPhone. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use WhatsApp on two different devices.